आमचे लोणचे तसेच IDCचे चेअरमॅन गुलाम सभापतीतलो तसेच ह्या वाड्याचे आमचे एक्स काउन्सिलर आणि एक्स चेअरपर्सन मालिन डिसोजा आमचे रायकार बाग इंजिनियर बाकीचे सगळे हांगा जमल्या तुमचे सगळ्यांचे हांव वेलकम करता तशें मिडिया जे हांगा जमल्या जे आयज आमच्या ह्या हेजेर बरें काम जे आमच्या आमदारान हाडलां म्हाका दिसता तेजे आमी जे लाल करून तेजी बरी सुरवात केली.
All these works will be taken up, hopefully, not hopefully, for surely, as much as I can in the 2021. And also
A new
a new substation in
at Karaswada,
Karaswada also,
which will enhance the
the power.
power.
Yeah. So all these works will be taken up, and I'm hopeful that the people always being very supportive, very loving in my constituency. They're giving me full support. तांचे मागीर निवडून हाडलो म्हाका एक संदी मेळटा काम करपाक आनी लोकां खातीर आमी तो काम करना आनी कोण करतले. सो त्या खातीर आय गॉट फूल सपोर्ट फ्रॉम ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर, फ्रॉम ऑल द मिनिस्टर्स, कॅबिनेट मिनिस्टर्स, वॉट एवर वर्क्स ऑफ एनी डिपार्टमेंट्स म्हणजे कामां जाल्लीं आसा आनी जाताय फुडें. देव बरें.
सुमार म्हाका दिसता आतां 15 वर्सां तरी जातलीं आनी ह्या 15 वर्सांक लागून आमी जायते आमचें शेत तुमी पळयतात हें आतां शेत हे सायडीन हें सगळें शेत पूण ह्या शेतान सगळें रान जाल्लें आहा, झाडां मातलेलीं आहा आनी आमकां जायतें लुकसाण आहा. ताका लागून हें काम तांकां तितलें बेगीन करूंक म्हजो आवडो आहा आनी हांव सरनोतां हें काम इतल्यानूच जावचें ना, बांदूच केल्यारूच जावचें ना. हो बांद जायतो बांद आहा हो बांदाचें काम जावंक जाय. ताका खावटी पडलेली आहात, ती खावटी भरून हाडूंक जाय. आमचे आतां भुरगे आतां जाले 6 म्हयने आमी वावर कोत्ता. म्हाजे कडेन उखलोवंक जायना तसले साप मातयेचे भरून आमी हाडून ते खावटी भरल्यान आनी हे म्हाजे सगळे भाव सगळे आयतारा येवन आमी आमकां 6 म्हयने जाले तें कंप्लीट करपाक. झाडां मातलेली ती सगळीं आमी खातल्ल्यान आनी आतां थोडें भोव आमचें काम उरलां आनी आमचें व्हडलें काम म्हणल्यार तें दिसता आमचो तितलो MLA त्याच्या हातीन आमी सोडटा आनी तो करतलोच. हांव जाणा हांव म्हणून तो करतलो.
Inauguration of the barn of the Manos here, where the sluice gates are going to be repaired. This work has been pending for more than 15 years, and because of the water entering from the river entering the fields have been destroyed, and the people of Akoi who have been cultivating the fields have been affected. Now with the repair of the sluice gates, I am sure that they will be able to revive agriculture farming, and we will assist them in every way we can through the agriculture department by getting the Krishi cards through, and this will happen only through the efforts of our honorable MLA Sri Gyan Tiklo. He has been a strong backbone and support to me in every job I have to do in the ward, and he continues to do so. I have also the repair, as Mr. Cosme Fonseca says, the Manos, which is the band which has to be repaired. It was informed to me by Thomas Pino, and he has been pioneering this work of getting the sluice gates. It was informed, it was told, he asked me if we could get it done from the WRD in July, and the engineers they worked very hard and swiftly on this. And today, within the span of few months, in spite of the pandemic and the financial crunch of the government, honorable MLA has succeeded in getting this work done, and the repair of the band, which has been taken by the the clearing of the band, which was in a very bad state, was taken up by the villagers of Akoi. Each and every villager participated in clearing the band every Sunday, and now we are going to be taking up the repair of the bund to the WRD, for which I have already moved a resolution in the month of October in the office of the Municipal Council during our ordinary council meeting. I will forward it. I've already informed our honorable MLA, and he will take up this work, and work will commence as
ऑलरेडी तुमकां म्हायती दिल्ली आसा आमचे नव्या वर्सान 2021 एक बरी गजाल एक कुशलकायेची गजाल की आयज आमी हांगा काम सुरवात केल्लें आसा हें काम खूब पेंडींग आसलें आतांच आमी मालिनबान उलयलें पूण इमिजिएटली म्हणजे नदरेक हाडना फुडें आनी ते आय स्पोक टू सी पाटील आनी टू सी पाटील तेन्ना तुरंत ताणें हें मानुसाचें काम घेतलेलें आसा इनफॅक्ट हें मानुसाचें काम जावन आसा almost about the estimate of 4,85,000. It's not a very big amount, but yeah, pandemic and a financial difficult at the bundle. I'm the Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, is always cooperative, trying in expense section Delhi Asa. And I must thank my Honorable WRD Minister, Mr. Philip Neri Rodriguez, for being very, very cooperative. Canada ke ulo matukos, kole kam tani fadi furana. He will call all his engineers. And Glenn बाबाची कितें काम ते करून घेवचें हें काम न्हू आनी खूब आनी कामां ताणें घेतलेलीं आसात ऑफकोर्स आमी हांव सगळें आमी पळयतात की ही सगळीं उदकान बुडलेलीं आसा बिकॉज देर वॉज अ निग्लेक्ट फॉर लास्ट 25-30 years which is very very long and there is a lot of salinity and also mangroves which have come not only here in most places of Goa and even in my constituency त्या खातीर this time wherever I can repair my bunds and repair केल्ले I will going to repair it I have been repairing it फाटल्या दिसांनी कोरोना and they only काम घेतलें आसा almost it's complete in Purio Ban in Pomurfa almost about more than 2 crores परत external ban 70 lakhs already ते आसा आमी ZPचे इलेक्शना पयलीं आमी तें काम घेतलें आसा खुर्जे बी आमी बांद घेतलें आसा आनी almost 4 bands CM has given me is approval and बाकीचे उरलेले approval the file is in the pipeline which I am hopeful that my Senate will give me the expanded sanction तशेंच आमी हांगा ह्यात Akoi water. Almost one ban we have done of almost about strengthening of Kamarkazan ban in Mapsa. There is almost 1 crore 86 lakhs. So that also the file is in the pipeline, which is a very very big job. And लोकांक हांगाल्यो अपेक्षा ते ban जावचें म्हणून आनी हे ban आतां म्हाका सांगलां हो ban ल्हानसो ban आसा about 800 meters. तो हो ban हांव फुडें कितें काम करून घेतलो. So I'm very happy that there are a lot of works which are going to happen in 2021, not only in Kamarkazan. But in my constituency, Sagle Padale, if everyone is on my Facebook, on media, they will know. And moreover, this week, almost 11 speed breakers will be putting up, will be constructing new speed breakers in this full road from Kamarkazan to
Akoi Club to
Kamarkazan. Almost 11 speed breakers in this particular area has been already sanctioned. Sanction means work out is named and another 15-16 in Aldana constituency. So a lot of works are going to be in Aldana constituency. Even the cabling work, we know all is going on, which is very, very important. 80-90% of my electricity fluctuations and whatever will be complete. Road works will be there. Agriculture bunds will be there. Transformers have been putting up in Ekoshem. One of these days, all got to work out in hand. Also, Tarikone, the full work is there. It's quite a big estimate. So a lot of works people will be seeing in this time of crisis. But I've been moving the files in the pandemic time.